Hi guys, my name is Lefti and we are here with MT2 Ugolini Slushie Machine. We've got a couple of videos elsewhere on our channel just to guide you. We've got one video which is a quick start guide to get you up and running with one of our machines if you've never seen one before. I've shown you how to take it apart in your weekly clean. So you've got to this point, it's your weekly clean, you've taken it all apart, and now I'm going to show you in this video how to get it all back together, and very importantly where to use the lubricant to make sure that the machine is all nice and happily chugging along. So we're here, clean dry machine. You've washed it down, you've taken the grill off the side here, and you've cleaned the filters with your soft brush there. And now we're going to put it back together. So we're going to start with the seals here. So this is the first part that needs lubricant on it. Keeps them nice and soft. It doesn't, so they don't tear, and it also helps with our seal, which is going to stop leaks, of course. So we'll go straight in, right to the back of the machine. Make sure there you've got your seal going all the way around and it's nice and snug, because if you don't, when you put your bowl in, you're going to have a problem with a leak, so you want to avoid that. So next seal, remember lubricant, don't forget it with the seal. Right to the back, nice and snug all the way around. Next up is the internal beater there. This is our next component with our lubricant. So at the back there, you just want to put some lubricant in there just like that. And it's on a magnet, so you want to go nice and slow. Catch there. Lubricant again, because this is going to be turning, so any of our moving parts, the lubricant's going to help keep everything running along smoothly. So some lubricant in there as well. So lubricant in there, don't forget, lubricant on that side as well. So let's get that in. Next part is the beater, of course. So this time, turn it anti-clockwise to get it nice and snug in there, ready to go. And you might check at this point that there's no breaks or tears or anything like that. If there is, let us know so we can help you replace those. But that's a nice working component, so we're happy. Just get that in there. Perfect. Now, bowls themselves. So remember, if you've washed the machine, just make sure you haven't lost the two strips of metal on each side there, which give us our lights. So this is another part, by the way, you can put some lubricant. I put it a little bit there. It's a trick. This is a trick I picked up from an engineer. So in there like that, because when you create your seal there, like that, it's just going to be easier. When it comes to next week and it's time to clean, that will just come away much easier. So that's dropped in nice and snug. Once again, lubricant in there just around the edge. Back we go, all the way to the back, and we pushed it all the way back and got the two legs over the bridge there to give us that seal. And if you're using it for the first time since it's clean, switch it on, put some water through it, make sure there are no leaks. That's a good tip for you. Drip trays just slot very easily in there, and now just the handles. So the seals, really important you don't lose these, folks. Make sure they're still intact after you're clean. This also is a place where you'll use some of the lubricant. That will just keep the handles nice and smooth and easy, so you don't snap them. Put some lubricant in here as well. It's food friendly, it's water resistant, so don't be afraid to use it. There's no harm can come to you using it. So that drops back in there just like that, and we've got these two pins there just to complete the handle. And there we go. Just leaves your lids there. And there you go. One clean machine, put back together using the lubricant, all the parts still intact, and you're ready to go again, folks. Thank you very much for watching. We've got bags of online support with these machines. We've got our FAQ pages. We've got videos about how to take them apart for your weekly clean. If you've never seen one before, we've got our quick start video to get you up and running as quickly as possible. So take a look around, and if you can't find what you're looking for, please feel free to get in touch, and I'd be glad to help you. Thanks very much for watching, and please subscribe.